Japanese carmaker Honda has recalled for 22,834 units of City, Accord and Jazz models from across India. Recalls have been issued for these models under the company's global precautionary exercise to replace faulty front airbags in them. These airbags were installed by auto parts maker Takata Corporation. Only 2013 models of these cars have been recalled in this phase. Honda will be changing air nags in 510 units of its premium sedan Accord, 22,084 units of City, and 240 units of Jazz. With this, the total number of vehicles reeled by Honda in India has reached 3.13 lakh units. The exercise will be carried out across the country by Honda Cars India Limited (HCIL), a wholly owned arm of Honda. HCIL will voluntarily replace Takata passenger front airbag inflators of 22,834 vehicles of 2013 model of Accord, City and Jazz as part of Honda's precautionary global recall campaign concerning Takata front airbag inflators. HCIL said in a statement, the replacement will be carried out free of cost at HCIL dealerships across India in a phased manner starting immediately, the company further added. Honda will identify and get in touch with those using affected vehicles. Car owners can check whether they are eligible for the free airbag replacement by entering their vehicle identification number, VIN, or chassis number in the company's special microsite. Last year in January, HCIL had recalled 41,580 units of previous generation of Accord, Civic, City, and Jazz models in India as part of a global exercise to rectify faulty airbags. In July 2016, the company had recalled 90,578 units of the previous generation of Accord, CR-V, Civic, City and Jazz models to rectify faulty airbags made by Takata. As many as 100 million cars have been recalled by 13 auto manufacturers across the world since the Takata airbag scandal came to light. It was found that the airbags installed by Takata expanded with too much force and sprayed metal shrapnel inside the car. This fault has caused at least 12 deaths and 180 injuries, for which Takata has agreed to pay $1 billion as compensation. No technical issue has been reported with Honda cars due to this fault yet. Also read, Auto Expo 2018, top 10 cars under 10 lakh rupees likely to be showcased.